Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be a haul video. It's from my little scrapbook store and I can't wait to share with you what I got. Now, in today's technique video, I do use a portion of what I got from her. So I'll point them out once we get to it. So the first thing is I got a new tape runner that I wanted to try, and I do use it in my videos for today, I think for tomorrow, and I really do like it. It has good tacky. It's very sticky, and so I think it's going to be good. This Nuvo pens, I have a gel pen in the white and then the glue pen. I got the new little pen from, oh my God. I can't even think of who they are. But anyway, I liked it. I thought it was cute. From this waffle flower set, I got the plates for the books and then the stencil to go with it. This one is like a shimmery water stencil design. And now we're going to go through the new ones from Sizzix. This is out. These have been out, but I'm just getting them in. And I like this. My idea is to use it for like swatching my inks and stuff, which I'll share at a later date what I'm thinking, how it'll work. Just to create like your own swatch books. I just think that the design, though they would be really pretty on projects as well, I just think it'll be really pretty. And then we have this alphabet set with the words. And what I liked about this alphabet set is it does come with dies, but it's coming for the words. So like the love, you, I forget what they all were saying, but those are what come with the die set. But then there was separate dies that you can use to cut out the alphas. So I'm just going to put the dies with that set because I didn't get any other alpha set, so I want to put those together. And then we have the dies and the stamps of the what are those, like grass and flowers, those are fun. Now this one, oh my God, I was in awe for. They're like partial doilies. And then for the longer pieces, they have the 3 die cuts. But then you have small or individual pieces that you can cut out and add as layers. There's no die cut for it, but you can always fussy cut it. And when these came out, I was so excited about them. And these are a lot bigger in person than you think. When you see it in the picture, it looks like they're small. But these triangle bits are really quite big. And then they also come with the dies for you to be able to cut them out. They're like nesting dies. And you get 6 of them for this size, and you get 6 in the other one, which I'll show you in a little bit. But I like how like each one of the triangles is a different like distressed look. We're gonna have fun with this one. Try and use it with the new Sizzix stamp plate where it has the ability to use the turn style. I think those would be fun. And then this one you get a lot more because they're smaller. And again, more designs, which are really nice. These will be fun to make, starburst or not starburst, sunburst, like on your layouts and stuff. This could be fun. So we have these, and we're going to put these to the side. And then this one was a lot bigger than I thought, and it's a complete die set. So I'm going to pull it out so you can see it. So we have like your, what is it? It looks like a Polaroid, that one, the smaller one. But then the other sizes, I think they're to create like a waterfall. Because I think the piece is actually going to create the flap that folds over. So like, okay, this one that I'm taking off right here. Well, I was trying to take off. Anyway, I think that's for a waterfall card. So you can do different layers in your books and stuff like that. You got your envelope. You got obviously 2 different tag sizes. There's a lot of things you can cut out of this. So we may have to just really cut it out initially on just some plain like paper just to kind of test it and see what all the pieces do. So that's one part. And then I'm going to put this all back into the bag. I'm going to leave that out because I'm going to be using it. And we're going to go on to our next bag of goodies. So let me get that pulled out, and I'm just trying to make sure. Yeah, I gotta. Oh, okay. I decided to do this other one because it was a little bit less in it. So I have the new inks by Lisa Horton, and I got her embossing folders. So the one thing I love about Michelle is that when it comes to packaging, she's going to make sure that if anything leaks out, nothing is getting damaged. Okay, you don't ever have to worry about that. But I was running out of my fossilized amber spritz, so I got 2 more because it's my new favorite gold. So I needed a spare for sure, and a new one, so it works out. I got 2 of the new colors of is that the Astro? I think it's Astro. Yeah, the Astro paste. And then Michelle had these new Lisa Horton. They're metallic, premium dye-based metallic pigment inks. And they're really beautiful. Like I really can't wait to swatch these. And it's not like a glittery, it's definitely a metallic. Like you can see the shimmer of it. It's so pretty. So pretty. And some of these colors I know it's going to be stunning. These are really pretty. So we have all the colors that came out so far. I don't know if they're doing more or if it's just this one set. But then Michelle also shared with us this. And this is A Year in Bloom. And what it is, it's 12 3D embossing folders. Okay. So there's one for every month. And in my technique video today, I used the first 3, January, February, and March. But I'm going to share here, that's April, May, June, July, August, which is really pretty, September, I love how it's almost like it's upside down, October, November, and then these are really pretty for December. It looks like it has like a snowflake look on the top. Not even snowflake, but just like, you know, it's polka dot. So those are going to be fun to play with. And we'll put that to the side. Okay. And then we're going to pull out the rest here. Okay. So I'm just pulling out my little statements. And we'll look at, always just like to look through, make sure I haven't missed anything. So we got the 3 new inks from Catherine Pooler. This stencil, which is a big flower, which is beautiful. And then I got the two stencils to go with the postage die set from Waffle Flower. And I got these words, which is like miss your face, hug you, just because, with sympathy, and it has matching dies. And I love that circle die from Catherine Pooler. I've been waiting for that to come in so I could get it. I had it on my wait list. And so now we're going to get to, I have the Winnie Pooh collection from Simple Stories. So I got that rub-ons to go with it. And I like this die set because it was also like a Polaroid. And then it had like the plate and like a little stamp piece that you could cut out. And those would be good things to put dates on, stuff like that. Of course, Bundle of Joy. And then these 2 are stencils. They were new stencils from a company in London. They were really pretty. Now, as far as this paper, she had some extra sheets of Sugar Rush. And I just thought this cloud paper was so pretty with the rainbow. So I got 2 more sheets of that. And then I'm trying to just move some stuff out of the way here. Give me 1 second. My brain finally caught up and was like, let's put this just back in the bag. There we go. So here I have a collection from Paper Rose. And this collection, I love the bees. Anything with bees and honey, I just think it's so pretty. They do such a good job with this collection. So there's 2 different papers. There's Basics and Butterflies. And at first I thought it was just one page of each, but it does wind up being 2 pages of each. There is a little bit of a shine on these papers, so just be aware of that. You have cut aparts, the 3x4 cards, which are really pretty. Look at those butterflies. Butterflies. And I love that one with the flowers. It's so pretty. And then that's when I was like, oh no, you do get 2. So you can, and I like that, especially with the cut aparts, because that means you have one page of cut aparts you can use, and then the other page you can use the B side, and not feel like you've lost or you weren't able to use something. So on this one, which is the Butterfly Basics, on both, the front page has all those almost like titles that you could cut out and use on layouts or cards, depending on what you're making. But look at this. Look at that bee. It's just so pretty. I don't know why I obsess with them. I obviously run away from them like anybody else in real life, but I don't know. In the paper collections, I love bees. Okay. And I like these cut aparts too. They're different. So we got the 2 papers, and I want to say this was the scrappy bag. And then this is an embossed, they're like die cuts, but they're embossed. So there's certain parts of them that you can feel is like slightly raised. I was trying to show you because a little bit of a shine comes up when you hit it with the light. They're really pretty. They're really pretty. So they are die cuts, but it just, they're just gorgeous. So these are pre-cut for you. And then the other, which looks like the 6x8 paper pad, I was surprised, is actually all cut aparts. So it's just sheets and sheets. I think you get 3 sets of, because that one starts it over. So you basically get 3 sets of all these cut aparts. That's a lot of cut aparts. And you can, so basically you're just fussy cutting all this out. And the quality of the paper is really good. Like, this is really thick. It's not like so thick you can't, cut it out or anything. But it's a much better quality than I was thinking. But I liked how that all came out. So that's going to be fun to play with. And then, and continuing with the, Katie's new line that came out. This is her new collection with Arden. I love the rub-ons. We have 2 stamp sets, which are her typical butterflies and leaves. This die is cute. It's like a ticket tag. It's really cute. I love those. Those are dies. That was a stencil. And then you get all this inside the scrappy bag. So you get the ephemera, basically, the ephemera pack, the enamel dots, and then these are laser cuts. And then the paper collection, oh my God. First of all, it's a paper pad, which is nice, but it's double-sided. Okay, it's not very often you get double-sided on paper pads. But you do get 2 of each sheet. I mean, I think they did a good job, marrying her look. And with this paper, it's not, I don't think it's as thick as 49 and Market, but it's still a nice quality paper. And it has a good smell. It's not a bad smell. I don't know if you guys ever smell your paper, but sometimes I do. It's a decent smell. And I like this. This has the 2 lines of 3x4, and then there are 2 4x6 cards or cut aparts. And that, you could just cut it right along where the butterflies are and put it on your 12x12 layout, and then start to, add elements. And then there were 2 of these, I forget what they're called. But I only got the one that's the film strips. I know there's one where it's like a bunch of, it's just sort of like a collage of like words and shapes and stuff like that. I did not get that one. I had to choose, and I chose the film strips because I am obsessed with film strips. But these are basically like clear stickers. And I'm trying to hold it up. I wanted you to be able to kind of see, but there's like a couple of different designs. So that's going to be fun. Can't wait to play with this collection, really and truly. I know Michelle had a few things that she's already put onto the website, but it is such a cute collection. Real quick, I did forget one thing. I got the album class for the 49 and Market Starlight collection, and I want to show you what it comes with. So they have new inserts that you can use on these binders that they come with nothing in the center. It's so that you can create a binder, and it's for 12 by 12 layouts. So this is going to be so much fun. For the class itself, we needed 4 extra of these sheets. Not 4, 3. I got 3 extra of these sheets. I think it's for the cover and stuff like that. So there's that. You get the whole written instructions. You also get a link to a video that you can follow. You get the 6x8 pad, the washi strips, the laser cuts, which are gorgeous, and then this beautiful paper. I didn't pull it out because I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with this book. But I wanted to share with you guys what all comes with it when you get the class, the kit with the class. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Definitely, I'll have the links down below to my little scrapbook store and to the Facebooks. So definitely come check us out if you've never shopped with us before. I'll have a code in the more section down below. Thanks again.